Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this Bluetooth transmitter and receiver made by Aisidra. Now you can find this on Amazon, it's $25. Links for it will be in the description below. So let's go ahead and just hop right into it and show you around the box. You can see here on the front, Aisidra wireless 2-in-1 adapter. A picture of what it looks like right there. Not a whole lot for the box. Back here we have the Amazon label and the model number right there. So let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like you just pull right here. And here it is. Actually looks, wow, a lot smaller than what I was thinking. I thought this thing was going to be a lot bigger. Wow, this thing is tiny. That's pretty cool. Very small. Let's see if it has a charge in it. Probably does. And it does. I'm gonna put that over here. Looks like in the box here, we also have a couple of cables right here. Aux cable, and then also a charging cable. And I believe that is it for in here, except for a manual. So yeah, there it is. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and give this thing a charge. I think it might need it since that red light is kind of flashing there. And I'm gonna, well, set it up and go ahead and try it out. All right, so here I have it here, all set up, paired to my phone. Very easy to set up. You just put it into the receiving mode right there, and then you simply pair it up through Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and play a song here on my phone. You can see I have one loaded up right here. Let's go and set this over here. Click play. And I tried this out last night. You can see it obviously works just fine. Pretty much all it is, it's just getting sound from your phone into this, and then through the aux cord and into your stereo. Here we have the two speakers right here. Pretty basic, but it seems to be working just fine so far. I haven't had any issues with it, you know, cutting out or anything. So there you go. All right, so here we have my phone here connected up to the Bluetooth. In this case, we have it in the transceiver mode here through aux right here. This could be a computer. This could be a bunch of different things as long as it's outputting an audio source through here. It is now streaming actually to this Bluetooth speaker here. You can see here, I'm going to turn up the volume. And it is playing through the speaker here. So again, basically audio is coming out through here, going into here, and then streaming directly to here. So this is in no way connected to, well, really any phone through Bluetooth. It's just connected to this through Bluetooth. So there it is, pretty cool. Pretty easy to set up too. It does actually have pretty good instructions right here, in case you're wondering. Let's go and get them over here. That is how you do it right there. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to read those. There it is. All right, so there it was, a quick unboxing and review on this wireless 2-in-1 adapter. So far, I'm really liking it. This thing, one thing that I really like about it is how small it is. I was expecting for it to be much bigger, but I mean, this thing it's tiny. It's a very small little thing, which I really like. You even put this thing in your pocket if you really wanted to. So that's one thing that I really like about it. By the way, it also came with a charge in the box. I haven't even charged the thing up, and so far it's working just fine. I've had no issues with it, you know, cutting out or anything. It seems to be so far a pretty solid device, and also the instructions are very good. I had absolutely no issues with pairing it up to my phone or pairing it up from here to that Bluetooth speaker that I just featured in the previous clip. So there it is. So far, I'm pretty happy with the thing. If you're looking around for a 2-in-1 adapter, I would definitely recommend that you at least check this one out. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.